Go.
Max Santos said my EAD was through a pending asylum will expire in 2 months. I'm married to a U.S. citizen and recently mailed out my adjustment of status. Will they send me an extension?
Yes.
Andrea said a friend filed for an I-485 in February of 2017 for his wife. They still didn't hear anything about an interview. How long do they have to wait?
They shouldn't be waiting more than 12 months if they do file a mandamus.
Joseph said my friend applied for asylum, no interview date, no working permit yet. He got an offer with the UN to go to Sudan. Should he withdraw the case and go? And what does he do when he comes back?
Well, you ain't coming back, but if you want to go to Sudan, be my guest.
Del Rito said, how long does an affidavit, does an adjustment of status take from start to finish if I live in Brooklyn?
Could anywhere from 6 months to 3 years.
Sebastian said, is the wait time different if the person is in the United States or in their own home country?
It's different.
Baliabe said, where can you tell if your application is rejected? Is it before or after your biometric or during the processing time?
You'll get a decision, rejected, denied, whatever it may be. That's when you know.
Rich said, I was filing my adjustment of status. My U.S. citizen husband hasn't filed taxes in 2 years. I have his W-2. He completed the I-864 and the other supporting docs. I also have a joint sponsor and all her docs. Is it going to work?
No, because you got to file taxes. So file a back tax return.
Surab says, can you please explain what a public charge is?
That you are below 125% below the poverty level. So that means the U.S. public, which is the U.S. government, has to take care of you.
Safi says, I have an I-360 pending. Can I apply for a travel document on VAWA?
Only if you have an adjustment pending, not an I-360.
MS says, the window that they requested, I'm wondering if it's that's going to be the full interview time. I heard that the interviews could only be 2 minutes long, and I'm afraid I won't get a chance to provide documents such as
your interview will be longer than 2 minutes, don't worry.
Okay. Change Name says, how long of a notice does immigration give to do your fingerprints for the AOS? And how much time do you get?
About a week or two.
Diana said, my friend was deported 16 years ago, and he told the judge he was using drugs for personal use. Will he ever be able to come back?
Doubtful.
Kelly said, how long does it take for a petition for a work visa that was filed for to be approved?
What kind of work visa? I don't know what it is. Lots of different work visas.
GT said, I'm going back to our discussion from yesterday with a reference to filing an Alimat said, an AOS interview is July 17th. We now live in Maryland. The spouse still works in D.C. He just changed his D.C. state ID to Maryland today, but it takes time to get mailed to him. Can we go with the temporary paper if the mail is delayed or the D.C. ID?
Yeah.
Bradford Hicks says, if my petitioner only has 2 years of taxes, would that be okay? I also have a joint sponsor.
You needed 3 years.
GT said, I filed an AOS employment-based EB3 in India and got an EAD card. The priority date was 2009. Should I file an H-1B extension as a backup?
Yes.
Should I worry time for my I-485 with what dates are current?
Should you worry?
Yeah.
I don't know what its priority date is, but India's very backed up.
Charmaine, I asked my E said on July 30th. Damn.
How many did we do? Seemed like we did 15.
I still had several.
How many did we do? I think we did more than 15, and we blew the whole place up again.
Wait, we really did more than 15?
Yeah. I did like 16, 17, and the whole place got blown up.
I honestly, I did.
Well, Joe's telling my ear, well, if Kim's reading, we're blowing the place up. She has to say we're done, and you didn't finish. You were like, we're like the worst MacGyvers ever. We're supposed to beat the bomb, and we beat it, and then you kept reading anyway, so you lost track of how many we did, and we blew the whole studio up again. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.